Hello everyone, welcome to Business School 101. Have you ever wondered if AI could take over your job? With rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, tasks once performed by humans are now being automated across industries. From self-driving technology to smart chatbots, AI is reshaping the job market faster than we ever imagined. So, which jobs are at the highest risk? In this video, I'll break down 10 professions that AI could replace or drastically transform in the near future, backed by data and real-world trends. Let's dive in. Number 1. Customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer service by handling inquiries with high accuracy and efficiency. According to a report by Gartner, by 2027, chatbots will handle approximately 70% of all customer interactions, reducing the need for human representatives. Companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have invested heavily in AI-driven customer service solutions, enabling faster response times and personalized assistance. Additionally, Klarna's AI assistant performs tasks equivalent to 700 full-time agents, demonstrating the scale at which automation is replacing human roles. While human representatives are still necessary for complex issues, the majority of routine inquiries can now be resolved without direct human intervention, drastically reducing the demand for customer service workers. Number 2. Data entry clerks. The automation of data processing through AI reduces the demand for manual data entry, as machine learning algorithms can process vast amounts of structured and unstructured data at lightning speed. According to an IBM report, AI-powered automation tools are expected to eliminate over 85% of traditional data entry tasks by 2030. Industries such as banking, healthcare, and logistics are increasingly adopting AI-driven optical character recognition, OCR, and natural language processing, NLP, systems, allowing them to extract, categorize, and analyze data with higher accuracy than humans. Companies like UiPath and Automation Anywhere are at the forefront of this transformation, developing AI systems that significantly reduce the reliance on manual data entry clerks. Number 3. Telemarketers. AI-driven systems, including voice assistants and automated call centers, are replacing telemarketers at an accelerated pace. According to a report by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, employment for telemarketers is expected to decline by 18% between 2022 and 2032 due to automation. AI-based robocalls and personalized digital advertising have become more effective than traditional cold calls, offering better conversion rates and minimizing human labor costs. Companies such as Dialpad and Salesforce have developed AI-driven conversational marketing tools that use predictive analytics and real-time sentiment analysis to engage potential customers more efficiently than human telemarketers. Number 4. Bookkeeping clerks. AI and machine learning algorithms can now perform financial calculations, reconcile transactions, and generate reports with minimal human input, making bookkeeping clerks increasingly obsolete. According to McKinsey & Company, up to 95% of bookkeeping tasks can be automated using AI-powered accounting software. Companies such as QuickBooks and Xero offer AI-driven solutions that automate invoicing, payroll management, and financial statement generation. Businesses adopting these technologies experience fewer errors, lower operational costs, and faster turnaround times, significantly reducing the need for human bookkeepers. Number 5. Receptionists. AI-driven virtual receptionists, automated scheduling systems, and voice recognition technology are rapidly replacing traditional front desk receptionists. Research by Forrester predicts that by 2028, over 75% of receptionist roles in corporate environments will be automated. AI-based tools like Google's Duplex can make and manage reservations, answer customer queries, and redirect calls with human-like conversational abilities. Hotels, offices, and medical clinics increasingly rely on AI-powered reception systems such as Virtual PBX and Casa Smart to handle administrative tasks efficiently, reducing the demand for human receptionists. Number 6. Proofreaders. AI-powered proofreading tools such as Grammarly and Microsoft Editor are revolutionizing text editing by detecting grammar, spelling, and stylistic errors more accurately than humans. According to a report by OpenAI, modern AI language models can now achieve up to 98% accuracy in proofreading tasks, surpassing human capabilities. Publishing houses, marketing agencies, and academic institutions are rapidly adopting these tools, reducing the need for professional proofreaders. While human editors are still necessary for nuanced and creative content, AI systems are increasingly taking over routine proofreading tasks, leading to job displacement in the industry. Number 7. Manufacturing workers. Robotics and AI-powered automation have been integral to streamlining manufacturing processes, significantly reducing the need for human labor. According to the World Economic Forum, automation could displace up to 20 million manufacturing jobs worldwide by 2030. AI-powered robotic arms, 3D printing, and smart assembly lines in factories have increased production efficiency while minimizing human error. Companies such as Tesla, Foxconn, and Siemens heavily rely on AI-driven robotic systems to automate production tasks, reducing operational costs and improving precision, thereby replacing human workers. Number 8. Retail salespersons. AI-driven e-commerce platforms and automated checkout systems are reshaping the retail industry by reducing the need for in-store sales staff. According to a study by PwC, AI-powered retail automation could replace up to 50% of traditional retail jobs by 2035. Technologies like Amazon's Just Walk Out, which allows customers to shop without traditional checkout processes, and AI-driven recommendation engines that personalize online shopping experiences have significantly minimized the role of human sales associates. While customer service elements may still require human interaction, AI's ability to manage inventory, process transactions, and assist customers is leading to a substantial reduction in retail sales jobs. Number 9. Market research analysts. AI-powered data analytics tools have revolutionized market research by processing vast amounts of information to identify consumer trends, industry patterns, and competitive insights. According to a Deloitte study, AI-driven market research solutions can process data 90% faster than human analysts while maintaining high accuracy. Tools like IBM Watson Analytics and Google Cloud AI are capable of sentiment analysis, predictive modeling, and competitor benchmarking, reducing the reliance on traditional market research analysts. As businesses increasingly adopt AI for real-time data-driven decision-making, the demand for human analysts is expected to decline significantly. Number 10. Taxi and truck drivers. The advancement of autonomous vehicles poses a significant threat to taxi and truck driving jobs. According to a report by the Brookings Institution, self-driving technology could replace up to 4 million driving jobs in the U.S. by 2040. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber have made substantial progress in developing fully autonomous vehicles capable of navigating complex urban and highway environments. With governments and corporations investing in AI-powered transportation, the need for human drivers is expected to diminish over the next decade, leading to widespread job displacement in the industry. Last. Conclusion. While AI is revolutionizing industries with unmatched efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about job displacement. However, the future isn't about losing jobs, it's about evolving with technology. By embracing reskilling, upskilling, and lifelong learning, workers can adapt, innovate, and thrive in an AI-driven world. Automation may replace certain tasks, but it also creates new opportunities in fields we have yet to imagine. The key is to stay ahead, continuously grow, and leverage AI as a tool for success. The future of work is not about competing with AI, it's about working alongside it to build something greater. Alright, that's all for today's topic. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.